Hi, Stephen Hailstrom here. This is Let's Build Housing, brought to you by the Modular Masterclass. Build better, build faster. This is issue 5, out on November 11, 2024. And it's called How to Make Real Money by Utilizing Modular Construction. So, I thought that title might attract some solid attention, and it is possible to reduce your costs, truly reduce your per square foot construction cost dramatically. But for me, it is not all about the money. It is also all about being able to make sure that people, citizens, my family and friends, are able to afford a home of their own. Having a home makes all the difference. Now, I will jump off my soapbox and get on with this newsletter. How can modular cut the cost of building new housing? The housing crisis across North America demands bold, innovative solutions, and modular construction stands at the forefront. As demand for affordable housing continues to rise, modular technology offers a way to build homes up to 50% faster and at costs that can reduce the final price by 30 to 50%. A staggering difference. Imagine the impact. Significantly more homes built faster and at prices that could bring home ownership and affordable rentals within reach for thousands. This article explores how modular can deliver these benefits, reviewing the core elements: advanced design, engineering, true supply chain management, and streamlined construction that can make modular a powerful solution for affordable housing. Advanced design and engineering, building the foundation of modular savings. One of the major cost-saving elements in modular construction is advanced design and engineering. At the core of modular's efficiency is its reliance on standardized components. Unlike traditional construction, where each building may require custom architectural designs, modular projects are built on pre-designed and optimized components. This approach allows for rapid replication of design, which drastically reduces both time and expenses. Subassembly manufacturing is another breakthrough in modular design, where components like wall panels, floors, and ceilings are manufactured off-site in factory settings. These subassemblies are then pre-assembled at an assembly plant into larger modules before being delivered to the construction site. This ensures a faster and more controlled building process, as modules arrive ready for final stacking and tying together on site, reducing overall time and enhancing quality control. A crucial piece of modular's design advantage lies in building information modeling, BIM, and design for modular manufacturing and assembly, DFMMA. These technologies streamline design, allowing architects and engineers to identify and resolve potential issues digitally before construction even begins. Such foresight reduces costly errors and helps ensure smooth, efficient on-site assembly. Outsourcing design and engineering is another opportunity that can further reduce project timelines. By working with modular-focused design teams, developers can bypass the in-house learning curve, tapping into expert knowledge of modular standards, permitting, and compliance. Subcontracting design to specialists not only speeds up project timelines, but also ensures that modular projects start with a strong foundation of compliance and efficiency, setting up the entire project for success. Commercial break. If you are a modular builder or want to and want to take control of your design and engineering, DFMMA are the people for you. They guarantee a reduction in your design and engineering project costs. They can be reached at details at dfmma.com. On with the story. True supply chain management, reducing material costs and waste. In modular construction, supply chain management is more than just ordering materials. It's about creating an ecosystem of reliable, efficient, and cost-effective partnerships. Modular manufacturers typically engage in strategic procurement, establishing long-term relationships with suppliers to secure better prices on essential materials and components. This allows for cost predictability, which is key in an industry where traditionally variable costs. By streamlining inventory management, modular construction companies are able to control both surplus and shortages. Material orders are optimized so that every component has a designated place in the assembly line, reducing excess inventory and minimizing waste. A stark contrast to traditional construction's frequent over-ordering. The industry's adoption of lean manufacturing principles has also played a role in improving cost efficiency by reducing material waste and unnecessary labor. Modular construction cuts environmental impact and trims budgets, benefiting developers, buyers, and communities alike. Labor efficiency and lower on-site costs. In traditional construction, labor expenses and on-site costs often represent a large chunk of the budget. Modular construction reduces these costs by completing 70 to 90% of construction off-site. This minimizes the need for extensive on-site labor, focusing instead on a smaller, more specialized crew to assemble modules when they arrive on location. Since modular construction is often completed in controlled factory settings, it also reduces costs associated with delays and extended on-site management. Shorter build times are particularly impactful here, with modular timelines are reduced by approximately 50%, meaning projects are completed faster, on-site costs are minimized, and financing terms, often tied to construction duration, are more favorable. Qualifying the savings, how modular could lower final housing costs by 30 to 50%. The combined effects of design standardization, efficient manufacturing, strategic supply chain management, and reduced on-site labor costs translates directly to lower overall project expenses. When construction costs drop, developers can lower the purchase price at homes without sacrificing profitability. The result? New housing that could be offered at a price up to 50% lower than those built with traditional methods. For prospective homeowners and renters, these savings are transformational. More affordable housing creates a positive economic ripple effect, expanding homeownership opportunities and reducing the burden of rent on household budgets. By making housing more accessible, modular construction offers a tangible, immediate solution to the housing crisis. Additional considerations, challenges, and industry momentum. While modular construction offers substantial benefits, industry-wide adoption faces a few hurdles. Skepticism and regulatory challenges, particularly around permitting, have slowed modular's uptake. However, as more projects are completed successfully and more stakeholders see the advantages of modular construction, perceptions are shifting. Education, advocacy, and industry collaboration are making modular a viable and increasingly popular choice. Momentum is building. Municipalities, developers, and even federal programs are beginning to view modular as a solution to the housing crisis. With the right support, modular construction could soon become a mainstream method for building affordable housing faster and more efficiently. Conclusion: the power of education and the Modular Masterclass. Modular construction holds the promise of not only cutting costs, but also making a real difference in housing accessibility. Yet, to maximize modular's potential, education is key. Stakeholders across the construction process, from developers and architects to policymakers, can benefit tremendously from understanding modular's unique design and delivery systems. The Modular Masterclass offers in-depth education on modular methods, equipping participants with knowledge to navigate modular projects smoothly, avoid common pitfalls, and enhance project efficiency. As modular continues to gain traction, now is the time for developers, policymakers, and communities to consider modular for upcoming projects. By embracing modular and educating stakeholders, we can build a future where housing is affordable, accessible, and efficiently delivered, transforming the landscape of North American housing. Thank you.